In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add or change your full name in WordPress. As you can see here, it says this post was displayed by WP Runner, which is my username. If instead of this you want to display your name here, you can do that. Back in your dashboard, go to Users. Then click on All Users. Now, I only have one user on my site, so I'm going to edit that user. Now here you can enter the first and last name of the user. And then in the Display Publicly As setting, choose how you want to display your name. Then click on Save Changes. And now when I reload this page, as you can see, the name was also changed here. This is how you can add or change your full name in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.